Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the live video monitoring feature for the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller. If you're interested in the DREAME Aqua10, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're in the DREAME home app right here for our Aqua10 Ultra Roller. We can actually get to the camera icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Towards the center, there's a camera icon. We can get right to the live video monitoring there. Or if you want to go into the device for whatever reason, maybe you're already in these device settings, same thing, right-hand side, center of the screen, there's a camera icon. So select either of those. At this stage, if you haven't set this up before, you'll be prompted to hit the dock button 3 times on the unit to activate this, and then you can set up your activation code. So for us, we're going to enter our activation code, and then we're going to go into the live video monitoring, and it will give you a notice. You'll hear the vacuum saying that the camera is active for your privacy and protection, so you do have that feature to know that the camera has been activated. And now we just wait for it to open. You will be at the mercy too of your Wi-Fi connection and how good and stable everything is. But give it a minute, it'll open up, and then we can go into all the settings within the app. So we have a lot to go over. We'll start in the bottom left-hand corner. Manual controls, if we want to drive this around, we can do that right there. Then we have our map. So from our map here, we have the option to basically pin and go. Or we can grab this guy, and then we can do a super cruise to multiple locations. We'll come back to that in a minute. We have our light controls, auto, or we can basically toggle that. We should be able to. Should be able to hit the flashlight, and then you'll be able to have the option to manually adjust the brightness of it as well. I usually just leave it in auto, but you do have that control option. Top right-hand corner, we can hit that question mark. It walks you through the settings here. Mark to go settings, whole house cruise, video status prompts, and go back out. We have the little image so we can see our photo and video gallery there. Schedule cruise and cruise recording. So I should say cruising record. So that's going to show you the history of if you've used that feature. Then we got a microphone for some two-way audio. So we can listen in and chat. We can take photos, right? We can take videos in 1-minute increments. Below that, the little Thunderbolt, that's going to be to charge. This little guy, that's going to be to, I believe that's to raise and lower the module. So if you're navigating around and you want to go under something, you can do that right there, which is pretty cool. Then we have the capture pet pics, so we can agree to that. And then, next up, this is kind of fun. You can interact with pets by playing different noises. So you have a way to interact with them right there. Maybe you want to mess with your dog or cat, go in another room and start having the vacuum bark at them. You have those options there. So let me show you this a little bit more detail. Let's go to cruise. We'll just pick 2 spots to cruise to. We'll go in here and we'll go in here and it'll cruise. So that's what we're doing right now. We're on a little cruise. Okay, for whatever reason, I exit out of the app. We're back in and it's cruising still. We can see it. It's definitely behind though, and laggy, and of course, hopefully it's still going to go. This would not be the normal experience I would get with DREAME products and live video monitoring. But for filming sake, this is what you're going to see. We'll have it do a video. But again, you'll be at the mercy of your Wi-Fi connection in your robot, whatever it's up to. And what's crazy too is it's pretty far behind right here because it's ending in real time. I can hear it driving and it's already done. We hadn't even made it into the kitchen yet. So pretty large delay right now, again, for whatever reason. But when it does work and you're seeing everything you can drive, it's responsive. You can even play pet noises now, which is cool. But a couple things, just make sure you have good Wi-Fi connection. Everything's up to date. Never a bad idea if you want to exit out and restart like we did. We went back into the app and now it's working because everything's super responsive on here in real time, except the fact that we're just seeing things a solid, I don't know, minute behind. Because it's already charging on the station. But here we go. It's making its approach back. So I didn't mention that too, but when it's cruising, it goes to that spot, does a full 360, which I really like. Some other brands don't do that with their cruising, if they even give you that option. And then it'll make its way to the next point or back home when it's finished with its route. So that's what you're seeing here. Hopefully you're getting better experience in regards to any lag or things like that. But very cool that it makes its way back home to charge. So that's a look at the live video monitoring with the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller.